Welcome to Tax Smarts Unlocked, the podcast for individuals and small business owners looking to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services, each episode is packed with insightful advice on proactive tax planning to help you navigate the complexities of tax laws. Here's your host, David Robson.
Welcome to Tax Smarts Unlocked. I'm your host, David Robson, and today we're diving into an essential topic for every small business owner: navigating the tax changes that are set to affect your business in the year ahead. With regulations continually shifting, it's crucial to stay informed to keep your tax liability to a minimum and your savings at a maximum. There's no need to dread tax season. Instead, it's about arming yourself with the right knowledge and strategies to sail through these changes smoothly. Let's start by setting the stage with an overview of the key tax changes that will impact individuals and small businesses in the upcoming year. The major consideration is the end of the provisions made by the TCJA, which expire at the end of 2025. If they revert to pre-TCJA provisions, it will affect both personal and business taxes. The tax landscape is forever evolving, with new legislation and regulatory changes being introduced. Whether it's adjustments to corporate tax rates, new deductions, credits available, or changes in how income is reported, all can have profound implications for your business's bottom line. Not staying on top of these can mean missed opportunities or worse, compliance issues. One of the key points is the importance of proactive tax planning. Think of tax planning like chess. It's all about strategically making the right moves in advance. By understanding upcoming changes and planning your approach to tax-related decisions, you can dramatically decrease your liability. This means not waiting until tax season is upon you, but rather taking steps throughout the year that will make for a smoother, less painful tax filing process. Proactive tax planning not only helps with compliance, but often results in maximizing the deductions and credits available. Let's delve into a real-life case study to illustrate how these changes can affect small businesses. Consider a small, family-owned restaurant that is affected by both regulatory tax changes and the need to adapt its business model due to local economic shifts. Last year, through strategic planning, the restaurant was able to leverage special business credits and deductions for investment in energy-efficient appliances, which were part of new tax incentives. This not only supported their tax savings, but contributed positively to their operating expenses. Maximizing deductions and credits is another critical area. Many small business owners fail to take full advantage of tax credits and deductions simply because they are not aware or they're too intimidated by the complexity. For example, deductions for home offices, if you have transitioned part of your workforce to remote work, or credits for research and development activities, can significantly offset your tax liabilities. Understanding the parameters and qualifications of these deductions is essential. Speaking of misconceptions, a common pitfall is the assumption that new regulations will automatically mean higher taxes for everyone. That's not always true. While facing changes in tax law can be daunting, sometimes they bring opportunities. For instance, changes might introduce new credits or modify existing deductions that could potentially decrease your tax burden, depending on how they align with your business activities. Now let's talk about the role of professional tax planners. Navigating tax changes is undeniably complex, but partnering with a qualified tax planner can simplify the process significantly. These professionals keep abreast of the latest laws and potential implications. They can provide tailored advice and highlight opportunities specific to your business. Think of them as your safeguard against common missteps and as strategic allies in your financial planning. Another key takeaway is the importance of preparing for tax season well in advance. Many businesses make the mistake of underestimating how much time and preparation is required. Disorganized records, last-minute queries, and uncounted deductions can end up costing you. By preparing in advance, ensuring your books are in order, and preemptively gathering necessary documentation, you can approach tax season with confidence and calm. In conclusion, I encourage every small business owner listening to seriously consider seeking professional guidance to navigate these changes. The investment in professional advice often pays for itself through optimized tax strategies and peaceful compliance. Remember, tax laws are not designed to be burdensome if you're informed and strategic about planning ahead. As we wrap up this episode of Tax Smarts Unlocked, Remember that understanding and adapting to tax changes isn't just about compliance. It's about uncovering opportunities for savings and ensuring that you're operating as efficiently as possible. Hopefully, today's discussion has given you actionable insights and the motivation to embrace this new tax year with clarity and confidence. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, effective tax planning is just one of the smart choices you can make for your business. Until next time, keep unlocking those tax smarts.
Thank you for joining us on Tax Smarts Unlocked, the ultimate podcast for individuals and small business owners ready to conquer the tax landscape with confidence. Hosted by seasoned tax professional David Robson of Premier Tax and Business Services. Each episode has been carefully crafted to provide you with insightful advice on proactive tax planning. By adopting a smarter tax approach, you can focus on what you do best, growing your wealth and your business. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss an episode. Subscribe to Tax Smarts Unlocked on your favorite podcast platform and unlock the secrets to confident tax planning. Remember, it's time to take control of your taxes and unleash your full financial potential.